Question number 4. Is it important to increase the area under irrigation? Then why? Yes, it is important to increase the area under irrigation. Increasing the area under cultivation is important for following reasons. First, because the rain is neither certain nor adequate. Second, crops such as rice, wheat, sugarcane requires adequate and regular supply of water. Third, plenty of water is needed for HYV seeds. Fourth, increase in irrigation facility will increase the productivity as it will be helpful in growing multiple crops. Question number 5. Construct a table on the distribution of land among 450 families of Palampur. This is your table, and you can draw any number of family versus area of land. 150 families landless, 240 land less than 2 hectares, 60 more than 2 hectares. So question number 6. Why are the wages for farm laborers in Palampur less than minimum wages? The wages of the farm laborers are less than minimum wages because the land is fixed in population is increasing day by day, which leads to increase in labor force. As more labor is available, there is an apparent sense of competition among the laborers, which leads to many of them accepting even the low wages if it guarantees them continued employment. Question number 7. In your region, talk to 2 laborers. Choose either farm laborers or laborers working in construction sites. What wages do they get? Are they paid in cash or kind? Do they get work regularly? Are they in debt? Yes, your answer is after having communication with 2 laborers working at construction sites, we got following information. First, their per day earning as wages is rupees 19. Second, they get their payments in cash. Third, no, their work is not permanent. They don't have work for every day. Means they have to search their work every day. They are not permanent. They don't have permanent work. Question number 4. They have debts as they take loans from moneylenders in case of any emergencies like illness of family members. Question number 8. What are the different ways of increasing production of the same piece of land? Use example to explain your answers. There are 2 different ways of increasing production on the same piece of land. For example, multiple cropping methods. This method refers to the cropping method in which more than 2 crops are grown on a piece of land during a year. This is the most common ways of raising production. This method is cropping is possible if there are good facility for irrigation are available. Second, modern farming methods. Means these are 2 methods which can be used for increasing our production. Second number method is the method refers that farming method HYV, high yielding variety. Seeds are used instead of traditional seeds. Chemical fertilizer is used instead of animal extract as manure and other natural fertilizer. In this method, irrigation is done with the help of tube wells. Tractor are used for plowing. Thresher and are also used. At last, before harvesting, pesticides and insecticides are sprayed once. Question number 9. Describe the work of farmer with 1 hectare of land. Your answer is owning a land of 1 hectare and doing agriculture on it is not enough for the substance of the farmer and the family, which makes it mandatory for him or her to try and find extra sources of income. Generally, the start term of farmer work on their own plot of land, and when they are finished with it, they work as labor or construction sites or field or bigger farmer in order to supplement their mare's income from farming on fields. How do the medium and large farmer uh, obtain capital for farming? How is it different from the small farmers? It is your 10th question. Your answer is medium and large farmers obtain capital of farming from their past savings. The production of medium and large farmer is usually more than their consumption. This is how they save for their next round of farming. They sell the extra output in the market and earn money. However, some farmers do not have saving because in the very first round of farming they do not have sufficient land to cultivate. Thus, extra yielding and saving are not quite possible for them. Their arrangements of capital is done by taking loan from moneylenders or large farmer as a very high interest rate. Question number 11. On what terms did Savita get a loan from Tejpal Singh? Would Savita's condition would be different if she could get a loan from bank at a low rate of interest? Your answer is Savita got a loan from Tejpal Singh on the following terms. First, rate of interest is 24% on the loan for 4 months. Second, she will have to work as a farm laborer during the harvest season at rupees 35 per day in Tejpal Singh's field. Yes, if she applies for the loan from bank, then her condition may differ. She could get loan from bank at a low rate of interest and no other conditions like extra labor on low wages. This could help in improving her financial condition. Question number 12. Talk to some old residents in your region and write a short report on the changes in irrigation and change in production method during the last 30 years. Your answer is I talked to, if you will survey, and this is the normal common answer. I talked to two residents in my region related for irrigation and method of farming 30 years back. Many changes in irrigation and production method can be found. First, irrigation. The method of irrigation was very laborious work 30 years back because Persian wells were used for farmers to draw water from well and irrigate small fields. But now, after 30 years, the tube well run by electricity could irrigate much larger area of land and too effectively and quickly. Tube wells were first set up by government, but now farmers have started setting up their private tube wells. Second, production method. 30 years back, production activities like sugarcane crushing was done with the help of bullock. But now people prefer to do it by mechanical sugarcane crushing machine, which is run on electricity. This has not only increased the efficiency of process but also helped the farmers in making more profits out of the process. Question number 13. What are the non-farm production activities taking place in your region? Make a short list. Your answer will be the list of non-farm production activities in our region. First, small scale manufacture of shoes. Second, ready-made garments. Third, some grocery shops are there. Fourth, cyber cafe and recently inaugurated. Fifth, people also sell vegetables in market. 14, what can be done so that more farm production activities can be started in village? Following are the steps which can be taken to start non-farm activities in village. First, villagers must be made aware of various non-farm production activities. Second, loans should be provided by the government at a low rate of interest to start expand non-farm production activities. Third, transport facility which are providing in village should be cheap so that people can easily carry goods to and from the nearby markets. Fourth, providing education and skills to the young people population can also help to increase the non-farm activities. These are your solutions of NCERT book Economics Class 9 Chapter 1. Thank you so much.